shot.
Use cinematic shots of Houston's skyline.
Use cinematic shots of Houston's skyline and its bustling port to captivate the audience. Explain that maritime law governs activities on navigable waters, including shipping, trade, and offshore operations. Introduce the featured attorney, highlighting their experience and dedication to maritime law. Segment 1: Maritime Law Basics. Begin with historical footage or images of Houston's early maritime activity. Explain that maritime law encompasses laws and regulations governing activities on seas and navigable waters. Mention key principles like general average, collision liability, and Jones Act. Discuss how the Port of Houston contributes to the region's economy and the need for robust maritime legal framework. Segment 2: Houston's maritime industry. Use drone shots or aerial views of the Port of Houston and its vast shipping containers. Highlight the role of Houston as a major global port and its importance in the energy sector. Discuss the challenges faced by maritime businesses, such as environmental regulations and safety concerns. Emphasize the need for experienced maritime attorneys to navigate these complexities. Segment 3: The role of a maritime attorney. Showcase the attorney's credentials, including their education and years of experience. Include interviews with the attorney discussing their passion for maritime law and commitment to clients. Use animations or diagrams to illustrate how maritime attorneys protect clients' rights and resolve disputes. Mention their specialized knowledge in areas like personal injury claims, vessel accidents, and cargo disputes. Segment 4: Case studies and success stories. Present a mix of dramatic reenactments and real photos from past cases. Narrative details of a notable case where the attorney achieved a favorable outcome. Include interviews with clients expressing gratitude for the attorney's expertise. Highlight their attorney's problem-solving skills and their ability to secure compensation for clients. Segment 5: Legal Challenges and Trends. Use news clips or headlines to discuss current legal challenges, such as environmental regulations, or interview their attorney on how they stay updated with changing laws and industry trends. Mention any recent landmark cases or legal precedents that have influenced maritime law. Emphasize their attorney's commitment to staying at the forefront of legal developments. Conclusion. Summarize key points discussed in the video. Remind viewers of the attorney's contact information and website for further assistance. End with a powerful message about the enduring importance of maritime law in Houston's growth and prosperity. Throughout the video, maintain a professional tone and ensure that the visuals, music, and narration work together.